What's good, guys? It's your boy gavofpairanormal. Today we're doing another unboxing. I recently picked up this pair. Of course you can tell by the box what it is, but let's get right into it, man. So I picked up the CPFM for short, which is Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Flea 2s. Just a little bit about the brand. It was founded by Cynthia Liu, who actually spent some time with Billionaire Boys Club brand under Pharrell Williams. And, I guess that's kind of where she got a lot of her, design inspiration, and really just, kind of leveled up her career and everything, because Pharrell and Kanye, definitely showed her a lot of support as she was starting out building up her brand. So anyways, with the shoe, as you can see, this is the spruce colorway that we have. I already put on like these little giblet things that come with it, come with the shoe. Just kind of just place them in different spots on the shoe. So and I'm, like I say, I'm the type of person, y'all could tell even with my customs, like I like to do things and put colors that sometimes don't necessarily match, but they look good together. So again, like with the pairs I get what I like. A lot of people wasn't really rocking with these once they came out, but I love them. As you saw, I was showing y'all the straps and everything. You kind of got like that teal color here, and then it's like a more greenish tint of the teal. The swoosh here comes off. I'm saying? So I mean, I would always like rock it with the swoosh or whatever, and if I wanted to, I can actually put it on backwards as well, kind of like something like that, I'm assuming. So yeah, man, I definitely love this pair. Like I said, a lot of people not really rocking with it. It's just kind of like it's made for a specific audience, which is perfectly fine, which is normally target as a business owner to find your target audience and just put out what they like. So yeah. As always, I want to thank y'all for sticking throughout this video. I don't necessarily come off the top of my head with like a quote or anything like that, but I will say thank y'all so much. See you next time. Peace.